Hello everyone, I'm Steve Burnett with Scott Murdock Trailer Sales. Wanted to take a moment to introduce you to our 4-star Runabout warm blood model. This is a 2-horse straight load with a walk-in tack room. You can see we've got a 2-tier saddle rack, blanket bars, bridle hooks, carpeted floor, brush trays. We've also got, with it being a straight load trailer, we're going to be 7 feet 6 inches tall, and then we've got a front escape door. As we go around to the back of the trailer, you'll see we've got a fold down ramp with Dutch doors. Horse compartments can be fully rubber lined. We've got LED interior lights, LED exterior load lights, fully padded stalls, plenty of ventilation with the side slide windows, airflow dividers on these, and then we do have a unique system with a fold out ramp on the first stall so you can walk the horses through and out on the trailer. For more information on this particular trailer, give our sales crew a call at 970-663-1100. We also have special financing available, zero down financing and very, very competitive rates.